Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So up to we are completed. Last topic, page limits. Okay. Okay, so let us start today's session. So write down. So today's session, drawing unit. As we know that there are two types of drawing unit. First one is imperial. Second one is metric. First one is the imperial. Second one, metric. Clear up here? In imperial unit, two kind of measurement. First one is a feet. Second one is inches. Is it clear up here? Feet and inches comes under American Standard, ANSI. Clear up here? For metric, for metric, millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm, meter, m. Clear up here? So this metric unit comes under International Standard, ISO. Clear up here? So what is the full form of ISO? International full form of ISO, International Organization for Standard. Clear up here? Understand? Or you can say international standard, okay? Yes. Full form of ANSI, American National Society of Scientific Institute. Clear up here? Understand up here? So rest of remaining theory in available in YouTube channel. Okay. So let's say here, clear up here. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Drawing unit in AutoCAD. Define the measurement system. Define the measurement system and precision used for creating and measuring a drawing. They determine how distance, angle, and coordinate are interpreted in the drawing. So what is the summary? To check measurement of drawing object. What kind of measurement? Linear measurement, aligned measurement, angular measurement, radius measurement, diameter measurement, ordinate dimension measurement. Clear up to here? For example, a line drawn with a length of 100 that can be represented as 100 millimeter, 100 centimeter, 100 inches, 100 feet, 100 meters, depending on the unit you choose. Clear up here? Why drawing units are important? Drawing units are used to maintain accurate dimensions. Create drawing at the correct scale, not for wrong scale, correct scale in the system. Right up to here? Manual drawing, sometimes scale not correct. Clear? Concept clear now? Okay. Ensure compatibility with other CAD drawings. Avoid measurement error. Prepare drawing for manufacturing and construction. How to open dialog box of drawing unit. Method 1, UN enter. Second method, click application menu, go to drawing utilities. Under utilities, unit, drawing unit dialog box. Clear up here? The unit dialog box contains the following options. Length type, define how linear measurements are displayed. Example, decimal, architectural, engineering, fractional, and scientific. Length precision to control number of decimal places displayed. Clear up here? Example 10, 1 decimal, 0.0 decimal, 0.2 decimal, 0.3 decimal. So this is precision. The unit dialog box contains the following option: angle type. Define how angle are measured. For every drawing project, consider as a degree, angle, angular measurement. What you have to say? In degree, minute, second, gradient, radian, and surveyor unit. Angle precision, control the number of decimal places for angle value. 45 degree, 0.0, 0.20. Clear up here? Understand total? Insertion scale. Define the default unit for inserting blocks and drawing. Common option millimeter mm, centimeter cm, meter m, inches in, feet ft. Lighting unit used in 3D drawing to define lighting intensity. Option here said international, American, and generic. Why? Because this AutoCAD Which company based? Multinational company, MNC. Where it is headquartered? USA. Company name Autodesk. Clear up here? Common unit used in industries. There are different industries, different units. Mechanical engineering industries, millimeter. Civil engineering industries, meter. Architecture industries, millimeter, meter, feet inches. Product design, millimeter. Manufacturing, millimeter. Clear up here? See example. If you set the drawing unit to millimeter, length of line 100, actual size 100 mm. If you set the drawing unit to feet or inches, length of line 100, actual size 100 inches. Clear up here? For millimeter, 100 millimeter, 100 centimeter. Clear up here? 100 inches, 100 feet. Concept clear? Okay. Advantages of drawing unit: ensure drawing accuracy, standard measurement, prevent scaling error, make drawing compatible with other CAD files, essential for manufacturing and construction. Right up here. So this is for detailed introduction of drawing unit. Understand? Interview answer. Very simple answer. How to set unit? Drawing unit in AutoCAD define the measurement system and precision used in a drawing. They control how distance, angle, and inserted objects are interpreted. The unit command is used to set length type, angle type, precision, and insertion scale to ensure accurate and standard drawing. Not for non-technical. For technical drawing, this process. Clear up here? Right. Over drawing unit. So let's see in AutoCAD how to set drawing unit. How to set drawing unit. Clear up here? 1 minute. How to set, write down, drawing unit. Okay, write down. In running classes, short notes. In YouTube channel, long notes. Okay. UN enter. Units command, UN enter. Go to length type. Decimal. Precision. Set 0.0. 0.0. Precision 0. Only one decimal. Clear up here? Insertion scale, millimeter. Select OK. Clear up here? This is mechanical drawing, civil drawing, centimeter drawing, right? Or meter drawing. Meter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay. For industries, mechanical industries, electrical industries, automobile industries, using for millimeter. Concept clear? Completed up to here. Over. Okay. So write down how to say drawing unit. Industries use civil, architecture, structure. UN enter, length type, architectural, precision, 0 feet, 0 1/2 inches. Insertion scale, inches. Clear up here? Understand? Okay. Completed this one? Okay. Over this one? Right. Precision, 0 feet, 0.0 inches. Length type, engineering. Copy this one also. Very important. Both units are used to prepare floor plan layout. Floor plan layout. Architecture or engineering. Clear up here? Concept clear? Done? So let's execute practical. Double click to start AutoCAD. Okay. Clear up here? So write down 1 second. General procedure for drawing. General procedure for drawing. General procedure for drawing. Control plus N. New file. Select file name AUTOCAD-IS. Select file name AUTOCAD-ISO. Clear up here? First basic template is international template, then metric template, then imperial template, right? Inches. So this is a millimeter value. ACAD higher. Look at here. Control N, new. Select file name ACAD ISO. ACAD, select open. Clear up here. Select open. Clear. Next step, UN enter. Length type decimal. Precision 0.0. Insertion scale mm. Select OK. Insertion scale mm. Select OK. Right up to here. Let's see. Control N completed. File name also completed, right? Next, UN enter. Unit command. Unit command shortcut. UN enter. Length type. There are two magnitude. Length magnitude, angle magnitude. Left side modify, right side constant. No need to modify anything. Angle consider as decimal degree measurement. Clear up here? For linear measurement, you have to change the length type. How many type? Total 5. Architecture, decimal, engineering, fraction, scientific. Select decimal. Precision 0.0. Unit scale, millimeter, select. Clear up here? Understand? Okay. Completed this one. One minute. Where is the workspace? I will check where is the workspace. 1 minute. Yeah. So write down workspace. Write down heading workspace. 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 So what is workspace? 1 minute. Write down workspace is a visual tool set. So create a model of 2D and 3D using draw command and modification of design using modify command. To add detailing such as text detailing, dimension detailing, leader detailing, table detailing, clear up here using annotation. Using annotation command. Clear up here to organize drawing using layer management, block management, group management, properties management, for dynamic selection, calculation, dynamic calculation, dynamic measurement, using utility, using utility. Clear up to you? Okay. In AutoCAD, we have three types. Write down. First one, drafting and annotation. Second one, 3D basic. Third one, 3D modeling. Right up to here. Completed totally. One minute. Clear up to here. Procedure for workspace setting. Workspace setting. So this is for first procedure. Okay. Clear up to here. First procedure. Type a command. Menu bar enter. Menu bar enter. Second step. Enter value. One enter. Go to tools menu. Under workspace. Select drafting and annotation. Drafting and annotation. Clear up to here. Completed up to here. Okay. So first here, type menu bar. Enter. Value here set. One enter. So what is the shortcut key for menu bar? Menu bar. Enter. Value here set one. Enter. So now above the ribbon, menu bar here visible. File menu, edit menu, view menu, insert menu. Clear up here? Which menu bar? Go to Tools menu. Under Workspace. By default Workspace, 3D modeling. Change into 2D. Select drafting and annotation. Concept clear up here? Understand totally? Right. Over. This part is complete. So write down second procedure. Second procedure, not menu bar. Go to customize, quick access, toolbar. Enable workspace settings. Enable workspace settings. Go to workspace setting option. Workspace setting option. Select drafting and annotation. Clear totally? Completed? Okay. This is a workspace. First process, second process. So let's say practical. Where is the customized quick access toolbar? Here is a drop down. Opposite to share. Here is a drop down. This drop down name customize quick access toolbar. Okay. So here this workspace. Enable. Tick mark is enable. This little tick mark enable. Right now. If not tick mark, this is for disable. Then go to workspace setting. Select drafting and annotation. Clear up here. You whatever the workspace, you have to change. Go to workspace setting. Select drafting and annotation. Clear up here? Understand totally? Right. Next, procedure number 3. Write down. Go to the status bar customization. Status bar customization. Enable workspace setting. Under status bar, go to workspace setting option. Select drafting and annotation for 2D. For 3D basic, 3D basic. For 3D modeling, 3D modeling. Understand totally? Procedure number 4. This is the last procedure for workspace. Procedure number 4. Type a command. WS current. Enter. Enter value. D capital, other letter small, space bar, shift 7 and space bar, E capital. This is one. Press enter. Press enter. Right up to here. See, here is the status bar, customize. Go to customize here. 3 lines. Bottom right corner, 3 lines. Workspace switching. Here enable. Tick mark is enable, right? If disable, everything untick. Right, totally. So as per drawing, you can enable it. Okay. Drawing coordinate also very important to show origin of x value and y value. Model space, grid, dynamic input, ortho mode, polar tracking, object snap tracking, 2D object snap, line weight, transparency, selection cycling, annotation visibility, auto scale, annotation scale, workspace switching, drawing unit, quick properties, clear up here. Under status bar, here is a workspace setting, workspace current, drafting and annotation. In command line type, WS current, enter new value, drafting and annotation. If you want to change 3D basic, see here, 3 D capital space, V capital, other letter small, basic, enter. 3D basic, workspace here enable. WS current, 3D modeling, 3D space, M capital, other letter is small. Clear up to here. WS current, drafting annotation, D capital, other letter small, space, shift 7, A capital, other letter small. Enter. Concept clear? This total 2D ribbon. In 2D ribbon, organizing tabs and panels. There are different tabs with different panels. Home tab key, different panel. Insert tab, different panel. Annotate, different panel. Parametric, different panel. View, different panel. Manage, different panel. Output, add-ins, collaborate, express tool, feature. Every tab key, every panel. Clear up here? Right. Over this one? Okay. So write on start draw command. Draw command. First command name is point command. First command is point command. Right up to here. Yeah. So what is the procedure? Procedure for point command. PO enter. PO enter. Point command. PO enter. Specify a point. Click. Specify a point. Click. Understand? Next command, multiple point command. Procedure for multiple point. Step 1, go to draw panel, drop down, go to draw panel, drop down, select multiple point. Specify a point, click. Specify a point, click. Understand totally? Okay. Third command, write down point style. Procedure for point style. P type enter. Choose any point style. Select OK. Select OK. Point style. Procedure for point style command. Type a command, 1 minute. DDP type. Enter. DDP type enter. Choose any point style. Select OK. Select OK. Clear up to here? Understand totally? Over. Right. So let's execute in AutoCAD. Point command PO. Specify a point. Left click for insertion of one point. Right. Clear up here. Very small point. PO enter. Specify point here. Click. Is also very small. If you want to add multiple number of points, go to draw panel drop down. Draw panel drop down. Select keyword here. Multiple point. There is no shortcut. Only select a keyword. Multiple point. Specify a point. Clear up here. Single point or multiple point complete. If you want to change style of point, P type enter. P type enter. Look at here. Now dialog box appear. Under point style, there are almost 20 point style. Clear up here. Choose anyone. Select OK. Concept clear. Next command DDP type. Enter. Same. P type or DDP type. Both are same. Clear up here. Over this one. So next command, point mode. Point mode command. 1 minute. What is the point mode? Add point symbol. As per point range. As per point range. Clear up here. What is the point range? Value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. $32, $33, $34, $35, $36. $64, $65, $66, $67, $68. $96, $97, $98, $99, $100. PD mode. Enter. Enter value. And select here 3. And press enter. Clear up here. Repeat previous command. Press space bar. Space bar key. Clear up here. Press space bar key. Concept clear? Understand? Right, totally. Okay. Command line, 3D mode. Right. Value, by default value here 36. Zero value, here is small. Space bar repeat. One value, totally high. Space bar, two value. Clear? Space bar 3. Space bar 4. Space bar 32. Enter. This is a symbol, not a object. Space bar 33. 34. 35. 36. Next range 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. Concept clear? Space bar 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. Concept clear totally? Okay. Completed this one? Over? Right. So point command clear. Six command name. Point size. Point size. Write down how to adjust size of point. How to adjust size of point. Procedure for point size. PD size. PD size enter. Enter value 3. Press enter. Clear up to here. Understand? Look at here. First insert a point. PO enter. Point mode here click. Then PD size. PD size. Enter. Value here side 6. Very small. The space bar negative value 6. Bigger. Negative value 12. Bigger. Space bar 24. Bigger. Concept clear up here? Okay. Completed up here? Over this one? Okay. Sometime positive value or sometime negative value for point size command. Completed? Okay. So write down list of draw command. Command name, shortcut. Line command, L enter. Circle command, C enter. Polyline command, PL enter. R command, A enter. Polygon command, POL enter. Ellipse command, EL enter. Right command, H enter. Gradient command, GD enter. Boundary command, BO enter. Boundary command, BO enter. Clear up here? Okay. Next, rectangle, REC enter. Rectangle, REC enter. Division cloud. Division cloud, left cloud, enter. SP line, X line, excellent. X line, excellent. Divide, DIV enter. Multi-line, ML enter. Measure, ME enter. Donut, DO enter. Clear up here? Wipe out. Clear up here? Over? Okay. So rest of the session to draw a line. We'll discuss tomorrow. So today is enough. Thank you. Have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Same time.